voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, a good thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, excuse the face, but I am getting ready right now. Mamadali ako kasi oras na. So today is my official first day. We have an orientation. So, ang weird ata na hindi pantay. So this week is orientation week and yun yung i-cover ko ng buong vlog na to. So it's gonna be a week in my life. First year college, freshman year, guys. Let's go. We're so excited, but we're also kind of nervous, but excited, but nervous, but excited. Gusto ko dumaldal, pero hindi ko magawa kasi focus ako, guys. Okay guys, I'm done to. Hindi ito yung suot ko kasi bawal to. So naka-jacket ako kasi malamig dun sa place. Malamig dun sa auditorium sa pang-orientation. So, bye guys. So, I just got home at ang una kong ginawa is naligo. So, yeah, mabilis lang yung araw na to because orientation lang naman yung nangyari. So, that was just a general orientation, like explain lang yung rules, ganyan, yung mga mission, vision ng school namin, mga organizations, mga research, ganyan. So, ayun lang naman yung nangyari today. And yeah, hanggang 12 lang yung class, yung orientation. So, ayun, I only took short clips because there's nothing much happened. Tapos, may binili lang ako bago ako umuwi. Pwede ko na sinabi sa vlog. But, ayun, so tomorrow, that's the schedule for today. But like tomorrow, meron ulit kaming orientation. I think for orgs naman yun. Basta may pasok ako bukas. So, it's from 1 to 6. Yeah, it's from 1 to 6 p.m. Wednesday is parang org day, ganon, para maghahanap ka ng mga org sa sasalihan mo, ganyan. So, yun, that's on Wednesday. Thursday is the regular classes, which is yung regular schedule namin, which is like, until 7 p.m. Yes, hanggang 7 p.m. So, ayun. I'm really excited, but like, also scared, but like, also, alam mo yun, kasi I'm really a school, like, gusto ko yung, mahilig ako sa mga ganito, like, gusto ko, like, enjoy ako, na-excite ako, na medyo nakakapagod siya. Like, itong first day pa lang, medyo napagod na. It's 3:52 p.m. and may mga gagawin pa ako. So, may mga latest life update ako recently with my life eh. So, like, ayan. Just makikita nyo na rin yan sa vlog. Makikita nyo na eventually. Pero, yeah. May mga kailangan patapusin. Pero, right now, kakain lang ako. Tapos, magbabasa ako. Kasi, guys, I'm getting into reading these days. So, nagbabasa ako ng books dun sa iPad. Sa isang buong week, naka-5 books ako. Nakatapos ako ng 5 books. Kasi I was really addicted into reading. It's really nice. It's really fun. So, one of the goals na-achieve ko na, guys, nakapagbasa na ako ng libro. Pero, yeah. So, ayun. This week, this vlog is going to be a week in my life orientation edition. Freshman orientation edition. I think I can do it. I believe I can do this. I can make more vlogs. But yeah, like, besides me posting here sa YouTube, nagpo-post din ako sa TikTok. So, go follow me, guys, on TikTok. Follow my TikTok account. Here it is. Follow me there, okay? Okay. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye. Kakain lang ako. Magbabasa lang ako ng book. Peace. Ay, right hand ba dapat?
Secretly inside I'm dying
7 p.m. There's gonna be a lot of nights like this. See you guys later. Bye.
Uy, ate yan. Lahat kayo ah.
This is day 3. We are here with Rich, ang aming artista. Artista namin to, guys. Kabisado mo na ang buong LCUP.
Alam nyo guys, tara na sa LCUP. Com Arts kayo.
Yes, kailangan namin ng Com Arts people. Because konti lang kami. Sa buong course, parang 40 lang kami.
9 lang kami
Plus 9 lang kami first year. Go guys. Join na kayo.
Gulatin nyo kami. Maging 20 kayo
kailangan
next
20
year.
kayo next year. Guys, this is day 3 life update. Wala kaming pasok bukas. Puro online lang. Ayoko nun. Gusto ko na pumasok sa library. Hindi ako mag-online class. Hi guys! So, nakauwi ako. Kanina pa yun. Hindi ko alam. Suot ko tong same shirt na to. Kung yung vlog ko kahapon. Kung nag-video man ako kahapon. So, ito yung suot ko. Sinuot ko kasi ulit. Kasi, naligo ako gabi na. Tapos, wala. Nag-reuse ako ng damit guys. Sasabayan lang ako. Don't judge me. Tomorrow is online class lang kami. And may mga, yun palang schedule namin. May certain days lang na online kami. Hindi kami parati palang face-to-face. Kasi may ibang classes na hindi na siya major subject. Basta whatever. Basta ganun. So, basically, bukas wala pala kami face-to-face. So, like, online ang lahat yung subject orientation. Tapos, Friday, walang pasok. Saturday, may pasok na ka ulit. So, yes. Ayun, right now, I am writing something. I'm working on something. Pero hindi ko isasabihin. Kasi, muna, low-key muna, hindi pa ako sure kung anong magiging outcome nito. Siguro, pag lumabas na yung whatever-ness na results, kung ano man yun. Yes. Nag-election kami kanina with the whole communication arts from 1st to 4th year with the ates and kuyas and we're like the freshies doon. So, like, yeah, nag-election ulit kasi every year yun eh. So, yeah, we have a new president. Everything's like fresh. Just biglang, even the first years, yes, I'm in the documentary committee. And so, yeah, makikita nyo yun pa sila dito sa mga vlogs ko kasi sila yung mga kaklase ko, girl. Like, wala nang iba. Konti lang kami. So, sa mga nanonood dyan, mga college dyan, guys, this is your sign to take communication arts at the Consolacion University of the Philippines. I am inviting you. You should. I will show you this year through my YouTube videos kung anong meron sa Com Arts. Lagot talaga kayo sa pag-promote, guys. Kailangan nyo talagang piliin ang course na to kasi I believe you will have fun. Kahit na wala ako masyadong kahit na ilang third day pa lang namin. Siyempre, pinakita yung mga achievements and yung mga ginagawa nila, yung mga ganap nila, ganun. It's exciting, guys. Ayun. Sana dumami kami next year. Sana talaga. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye. Paalam. Bye, guys. Hi guys! So today is Thursday. Like I said kahapon, online classes lang kami today. And isang subject lang yung nag-online class sa amin. Yung kanina pinagawan lang kami ng activity. So, ayun. Kakatapos naman. Kanina pa, mga 3:40 natapos yung isang klase. Yung online class. Printer ko yun, guys. So, wala. Wait lang. Nagki-cleaning pa siya. As I was saying, next class is math. Inaantay ko kanina baka nag-refresh ng Google Classroom. Hindi ko alam kung mali ba yung tinitingnan ko subject. Hindi naman siya mali. Ayun. Wala guys. Sa bahay lang ako. And you guys saw kahapon, no? Yes, we actually do have a small business. Nakapwesto kami sa convention, guys. Go visit. Sobrang hyper, diba? Sobrang taas ng energy. Yeah. Yun lang. Okay. Bye, guys. See you when I see you. Life update, guys. Wala kami atang klase sa math. Oh, may ganyan. It's the light. May ilaw. Ano ba yan? Nainis ako dito. Saglit lang. Pero like kasi hindi natuloy yung wala ata kami klase sa math. So hindi pa ako nag-refresh ito. Like, it's been 10 minutes. So feeling namin wala na. Kaya ang gagawin ko na lang is ayusin ko na lang yung laptop ko. May iba na lang magagawin. Like, prepare ng content for Mabusisig. Yes, guys. If you didn't know, which is probably obvious. Pero like, yeah, just to share, I handle, nababother ako dito. I handle our small businesses. Yun nga, pero I help and I handle yung social media accounts ng business ng family namin. Yes, I do all the posting, I do all the captioning, the editing, and the directoring. Yes, yun lang yung ambag ko kasi hindi naman ako everyday nasa store. Yun talagang nagsisell sa store everyday so yung parents namin. So yeah, go visit us guys. If you're looking for snacks talaga na very unique, something new na hindi nyo inaasahan na maaari palang kainin, maaari palang ganong dish, you should go try. If you're someone who loves to try new things, new food, ganyan, very food lover talaga, go visit us, guys. Mabusisig, here is our Instagram, here is our Facebook, here is our TikTok account. Go follow us, guys. I will try to be very, very much active. I will try my best na i-active ng mas madalas pa yung social media, especially sa TikTok kasi feeling ko malaking bagay yung TikTok kasi sobrang like, diba? Lahat na lang doon nagagaling eh. Lahat na lang yun yung source. Doon talaga pupunta yung mga tao sa TikTok talaga. Ayun. Ano ba yung mga hand gestures ko talaga? Hindi mo talaga may mapigilan. Kailangan talaga may hand gestures. Pero, ayun guys. Okay na. Bye. Thank you for listening again to this tapping session. Yun lang. Bye. Guys, life update. Achievement of the day. Bumili ng kutsara yung parents ko. I've always wanted yung gantong kutsara. Kasi yung kutsara lang, kasi yung dun sa bahay ng lola ko. Ganito yung ganito yung kutsara nila. Like, alam mo yung medyo mabigat na makapal. This is the dream, guys. Nagpapabili ng kutsara. Yes, I'm so happy. Ang liit na bagay, no? Pero, achievement to. Happiness. This is adult life. Joke lang. Oh, it's adult life. Pero, yes, guys. Diba? May kutsara. Yes, so it's Friday. And, kakaligo ko lang. Tapos, dumating na yung bag ko, guys. Dumating na siya. Here it is. Feeling ko it's too small. Hindi ko siya dito yung bag. Malalagay ko dito. I got the wrong size, guys. Pero kasi, it's cute. Pero it's nice, guys. It's really nice. But like, walang kasha dito. Mali. It's my fault. Pero nandito na eh. We're gonna try it. Dude, it's not gonna fit talaga. I feel like it's not gonna fit. Oh, I feel so sad. Ang liit niya. Wala, te. Di talaga siya perfect. This is too small. Do not copy me if you're gonna buy like the 13 liters one. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Huwag talaga. Pero, it's cute. I don't know what to do with this, guys. Hindi ko alam if ibabalik ko to or wala na akong magagawa eh. Nandito na. Gaslighting myself. I got this from Bagsmart. Absolutely not sponsored. As you can see, this was my reaction. I have no idea how this happened. But I'm not against them. It's my fault. There's no... Ang ganda niya pa din. I just wish I got the right size. still good though. Maganda pa rin naman yung material ng bag smart. Makapal siya. Pero yung iPad lang kasha dito. Okay. Hi guys, so it's Saturday. Ngayon, ito na yung last day of classes ko ngayon. Yung college. Okay. So, it's 6 a.m. na. And yung classes ko lang ngayon, actually half day lang ako. 7:30 to 9 and then 9 to 12. Pero magsistay pa ako sa school kasi may kailangan pa akong ayusin. Pero, yeah, this is gonna be the last part of the vlog. And ayun, wala. Mag-ready lang ako. So, today, PE kami dapat. Pero, hindi pa ako bibili ng PE. Pero we're allowed naman ako. May shirt tsaka jogging pants. Muna yung suotin. Pero next week, kailangan ako PE na. Pero next week na ako bibili ng PE. Kasi yung PE namin sa school lang siya nabibili. And then, cash kasi yung kailangan dun sa library. Eh, wala akong cash. So, tsaka, next week na lang kasi medyo mabigat na yung mga pinagbibili ko. Yung uniform and everything. So, yun, mag-die down konti ng gastos, diba? Meron akong new routine. Meron akong hair routine, guys. This is not sponsored. Pero, ginagamit ko to. Vites. Vital. How do you pronounce? I don't know. But it's hair polish to protect your hair from the sun, I guess. Pero, ayun. Para maging healthy and shiny yung hair. Maging hindi frizzy. And effective siya, actually. 2 days ko siya ginagamit. And yung buhok ko, hindi talaga siya ganito pag hindi ako naligo ngayon. Tsaka nagsusuklay na ako, guys. Dati kasi hindi ako nagsusuklay. Ano muna tayo para moisturizer. Ang funny naman na sa huli na, sa pinakahuling part pa ako ng vlog ng ganito. Kasi yung mga naunang parts, lagi ako nagmamadali. Ang aga ko nagising. 4 pa lang gising na ako. Pero 7:30 pa pala yung para ko. Ay, okay lang kasi minimum ba? At least, may time ako. Hindi ako super nagmamadali. Ayoko din ng ganun. So, okay lang. Nakapagbasa pa ako ng 2 chapters na binabasa kong book. Yun natin. Sa hair. Para lang siyang lotion, guys. Blush na lang. Ganda nito. Ganda na rin siya yung namin. OA sa matagal. But I like, it's nice. Oh my gosh guys, naka-white shoes ako tapos umuulan. I have to pray for this. Second class, guys. Hi guys, so nakauwi na ako and ganun lang kabilis yung nangyari ngayong araw. Wala naman ako ng film. So wala, PE class lang kami tapos may isa kaming subject na hindi siya natuloy. Like, ano lang pala kasi late kami naka-join sa Google Classroom. So ang nangyari, ano lang pala kami nung like 9 to 12 asynchronous class lang. So, ayun, yung nag-stay lang kami sa library kasi hindi na ako nakapag-video. Tapos, ayun, tapos may inayos na kami for org. Tapos, after nun, kumain and then umuwi na. It's, ang aga ko umuwi ngayon, so proud of myself. Like, 3 pa lang, 3:17, nakauwi na ako. Early record. Pero, yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I will see you guys soon, very soon, hopefully soon. Yeah, pala ko mag-vlog next week kasi may ganap kami ng Wednesday. Like I said, I mentioned na ata if I haven't. Pero yun nga. Org day kasi pag Wednesday. Parang org day siya kasi nga wala kaming pasok pag Wednesday. Like wala kaming class. So, ayun. Bye! See you! Thanks for watching sa aking college diaries. You guys have been here since junior high school. in senior high school, and then now we're at college. So yeah, so exciting. So excited, guys. So bye, thanks for watching. Peace out.